quiz tomorrow, so let's review for this real quick. There's, there's only two things that we learned this week. The first one was about the angles of a triangle, that they add up to 180. So it says find the measure of each angle indicated. So we want to know which angle completes the 180 in this triangle. The way we're going to find that measurement is first add the two that we have, 140. When we add them, is 140. So I added the two that we have, and let me subtract this from 180, so 40. So that angle is 40. Right. Once again, the three angles add up to 180. If I look at question number 2, if I add the two angles that we have, 60 and 40, that's 100. Let me subtract this from 180. How much is 180 minus 100? 80. So the third angle is 80. But our goal is they have to add up to 180. All the triangles, they do that. So any questions for the first 10? All right, let's take a look at question number 11. The way we're going to simplify a radical, 27, I'm going to think of any two numbers. The multiplied equals 27. So I'm going to think of 9 times 3. Then my 9, I can split that as 3 times 3. I'm only looking at the numbers I was not able to split anymore. Now I'm going to get them in groups of 2. So 2 of the same per group. So that is one group, and that one is a single. So for when I write them, the groups outside, so my group is 3, inside the single. So this one simplifies to 3, radical 3. Groups go out, singles stay in. If there's more than one group, multiply your groups. If there's more than one single, multiply your single. Looking at question number 12, two numbers that multiply equals 50, I'm going to think 5 times 10. For 10, let me think of 5 times 2. So we have a group of 5 and a single 2. So I'm going to call that 5 radical 2. Remember, groups go out, singles stay in. Any questions? Which one? 15? All right, let's take a look at 15. Now I'm going to ask you guys, give me any two numbers the multiply equals 100. 10 and 10? I know we can split the 10s as 2 and 5. As a matter of fact, let me split them up. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. So these 2's are one group, and these 5's are another group. So I have a group of 2's and a group of 5's. I have two groups, so I said multiply, less. How much is 2 times 5? 10. There's no singles, so there's no radical. Now, my question, now the thing is, like see now I split them. If I had noticed at the very beginning, once I got to 10 and 10, I had noticed that they were a group, I could have just grouped them up. You don't have to split them, you have to make groups. So they already become a group, just group them up, which gives me still 10. Right? Because if you split them, you're going to have to multiply them back, and it gives you 10. So if you have a group, group them up. Any other questions? Let me take roll really quick.